Hello lovers, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove unwanted pubic hair using baking soda. Baking soda is very good for the skin. It helps to break down hair follicles, thus exfoliating the skin. You have to get half cup of baking soda, then get a saucepan or anything you have that you can use to boil the water. Just add half cup of water to the saucepan. Half cup of water is depend on the amount of baking soda you want to use. Like now, I have to boil it. You have to put it on the flame and let it boil. Just wash it close. Do not leave it. Once it's boiled, pour the baking soda into it and stir it. Start stirring. Do not leave it so that it won't burn. Leave it there, it will foam, and you always continue to stir. Do not leave it. Stir it always to mix it very well and it won't burn under. Baking soda is very good for the skin. It's good. Right now it has dried. The water has dried already. Once the water is dry, then you have to off the frame and bring it out. You can put it anywhere, but don't use it when it's hot. Don't use it when it's hot. You can just transfer it to anything you will use to apply it on your skin or anything you can use to store it. So after you have removed this, see how it is. Then you have to add 1 spoonful of coconut oil to it. Why I choose coconut oil is because coconut oil helps to moisturize the skin. Once you want to remove the hair, you have to use coconut oil for easy moisturization. Then after, you see it and check if it has cooled. If it's cool, then apply it on your pubic hair where you want the hair to be removed, or anywhere you want. Just apply it there. It will smoothen the place. Once you have applied it, you will use it for like 3 to 4 days, and you will start seeing the results. You will see that the hair has started falling off. Just apply it there. You can use it overnight and wash it off in the morning, or you can use it during the day and leave it for like 20 minutes, then wash it off. Thanks for watching.